how to register a fixed asset that's sitting in the fixed asset register in Xero as a draft. Here we are in our test client, Virtually There Limited. We need to go to the fixed asset register. So go to accounting, fixed assets, and here we have our register. If we look across the top here, we've got draft, registered and sold. And we're looking at the draft, and we've got two items here sitting in draft. It's as simple as clicking into the draft asset, checking the details. You will see that these have been created from a bill, so we can view the original bill. There we have it, and because we've used the account computer equipment, it's created this draft asset in our fixed asset register. We click on the asset type, and this is computer equipment, and there we go. It starts filling in all these details that we need. Depreciation start date, we'll have the 1st of June 2024, so it's a full month after the purchase date. Depreciating at a rate of 33%, so that's in line with all the other computer equipment assets. And there we go. That's everything that we need to do there, and we click on register, and you can see now that that's been moved over into our registered items, and we just do exactly the same with the other fixed asset. And that's how you register a draft fixed asset in the fixed asset register in Xero.